delicious. 1, 2. Oh!
Want to see a big toy review? Poo poo wee poo.
Teagan, what game are we about to play?
Burping Bobby.
What time is it, Teagan? It's time for...
Burping Bobby.
Burping Bobby! What time is it, V?
Poopy.
Boopy! No, it's time for Burping Bobby!
Burping Bobby. Burping pooping Bobby.
Burping Bobby. What does Burping Bobby do?
He burps when you get him food.
What does he do, Phoebe?
He burps. He burps, and then you get him some food.
And then, yeah, Burping Bobby.
Let's open him. Let's open him. He didn't bite on.
Burping Bobby by Goliath. Watch out for his burp. 2 to 4 players, ages 4+. But that's okay.
How old are you?
3.
That's okay.
Pick a token and check the number. Feed the hippo. And turn the crank and hear him chew. Okay, let's open it up, Mommy.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. He burped. He burped. What? What? It scared us.
It scared you? Don't be scared.
Just running. Wow,
Look, he's cute.
Oh. Snake. Look. Oh, his pieces are already on, Mommy.
His pieces are already on. Let's see.
And let me the crane. Look, we have birthday bags. Look, why there's a little red.
It's a little red crank.
It's a red crank. Yeah, it's your red crank. Oh, dang.
So what all is included?
Ew, it comes off your spoon, Mommy.
Show Daddy. What is that?
What is that?
Spoon.
Is it a little spoon?
Yeah.
Looks like a little air pump.
Okay, it's a little crank lever.
A crank and then a lever. And then you have all these different foods. These are your tokens.
What kind of food is there?
What is that?
Soda.
Soda.
Cheese.
Cheese.
It's an onion.
Onion. What is that?
Pizza.
Pizza, yummy. What is that?
Looks like a burrito, a bean burrito.
Oh, a burrito, yummy. What is that?
Garlic.
Garlic. Wow, no wonder why Burping Bobby's going to be burping.
Yeah,
Okay.
stinky burps. Right, Teagan?
Yeah.
You.
Here's some more food over here.
Oh yeah, it's all together. It's all of the foods on the other side of the token. You just squeeze this and it's like a little air. Whoop, whoop.
What is that? Let's see it.
Let's see, what is it supposed to be?
The little crank goes. Let me see. That's right there.
Oh, so let's see.
Burping Bobby.
1 burping Bobby hippo, 18 food tokens, and 1 water
Pipe it.
pipette. Be the player with the most points when the hippo burps. We have to unscrew. He's going to need some batteries.
How many batteries do you think?
What do you think?
I know.
It's gonna be 3 AAA batteries.
How do you squeeze a brain, Bobby?
You're gonna need to unscrew it, and then we'll move the crank. Snap the crank into the position of the hippo's left side. Move the on and off switch located under the hippo into the on position and place the hippo in the middle of the playing area. This is where we're gonna need to use that little water
Right
pipette.
here, Mommy.
It's a pipette, silly.
Pipette. Squeeze the pipette, dip the tip in water. Oh goodness, we need water. And release it until it's halfway full. Until it's filled halfway. Remove the tube of the hippo's ears Dip the tube and the pipette into, this is a lot of, what is this?
What is this?
Let's
Do
see.
not release the pipette until,
Can I see the instructions?
yes, you look at the instructions. I'm gonna get a little cup of water.
Burp.
And now squeeze in.
Okay.
And I'll put the crank in. Did I help put the crank in?
Yeah, let's wait until mommy is ready, okay?
2, 3.
3 batteries. Your AAA batteries.
This one?
The other way?
This one?
Yep, put it right there.
Uh-oh.
It
It rolled like Marsha.
rolled like Marshall.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, actually, on that one, we're gonna flip it the other way. Now push it down. Push it down this side.
Kiki.
Perfect.
Now you try it. These two.
Okay, mommy's turn. Let's get these inside. Just like that. Off, and then we're gonna turn them on. Let's see, his little crank is gonna go on the side. See, it's gonna match up like this. Good job.
Oh, Burping Bobby is hungry.
He sure is hungry. Let's see. Put the ears back on.
This one goes here.
That's correct.
This one goes here.
Perfect.
I did it by myself.
Yes, you did. Awesome job. High five. Great job. Great job, Tiki. Phoebe opened his mouth and pushed the tongue down. Is that what you did?
Yeah, I just helped you.
Great job, Phoebe.
I helped you. Yeah.
You're a great helper.
I'll get I'll lift the tongue down.
Yeah, now it's open. Okay. Numbers on the tokens. There's numbers on the tokens, and when you put the token in his mouth, what number is on your token, Phoebe?
1.
1. So that's how many times you'll crank it. You'll crank it 1 time. If you picked the 3, you would crank it 3 times. If you picked the 2.
I picked it 3.
Okay, come here, Teagan. Turn it 1 time. This way. Like this. Okay, good job.
Oh, there's no stink.
No stinky. Okay, yours is what? What number is on yours?
3.
3. What kind of food do you have? Show Daddy.
3.
It's 3. It's the garlic that has the number 3 on it.
Another
Another one. Okay, Teagan, take your turn.
one. Okay.
Put that on his tongue. And now crank the crank 3 times. 1,
Oh.
2, 3. Come on, one more time. That wasn't a whole turn.
All the way around,
3
Teagan.
pizza. My turn.
Okay, it's Phoebe's turn. Go ahead, Phoebe.
Okay, I'll wait.
Thank you.
Well, I don't know how to put. Okay.
How many turns does that take, Phoebe? Don't hold his mouth.
I don't know how to do it. I guess. My turn.
Let's see.
Okay, and all the.
Put it in his mouth.
Here's some more
Now
of
crank your crank 3 times.
Here's some more on
Keep
Was that
going.
3?
Some more on
One more time. Good job. Okay, Phoebe. You picked out the onion. That's 1 token. Okay, crank your crank 1 time. No, this one. Okay.
So I put 10 things. 3 keys.
Okay, it's
You did
cheese.
It was no.
And it's 3 turns.
Oh, I got cheese. It's like
You got cheese too? Okay, put it down. Good job. Now crank it 3 times.
On this side, Mommy.
It's a baby bell cheese?
Yeah.
Delicious. 1, 2. Oh! Ah! Burping Bobby just burped! Good job!
My turn to win. Ew, gross.
Is that gross?
Yeah. He puts his tongue down.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. He burped.
Again?
Good job.
That's stinky.
That's stinky.
Yucky.
Other way, Pete. This way.
And Vienna, hold your nose. 3 soda.
3 sodas.
Yeah.
So what do you think about Burping Bobby, Teagan?
I
Phoebe, what do you think about Burping Bobby?
Good. Thank you for watching.